In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create auto reply in Facebook Messenger with ManyChat AI chatbot. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that instantly responds when someone messages your Facebook page and uses a specific word or phrase. First, open ManyChat and head to the Home tab so you're looking at the dashboard for the Facebook page you want to automate. This confirms you're working in the right place and have the correct permissions for Messenger. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Automation. This is where all your flows and triggers live. From here, click New Automation to create a fresh workflow. When prompted, choose Start from Scratch. Starting clean makes it easier to understand what's happening and helps you avoid pulling in settings you don't need. With your empty flow open, add a new trigger. The trigger tells ManyChat when this automation should run. Choose User sends a message, because we want the reply to fire when someone reaches out via Messenger. Then, select Detect specific words in a message. This lets you define the keywords that will activate your auto reply. Click the option to add a keyword, and type in a sample word or phrase your audience is likely to use, like pricing, hours, or any topic your team answers often. Keep it simple and focused. If you need multiple keywords, you can add them one by one later using the same option. When you're done, click Create to save the trigger. That's the moment ManyChat links your keywords to this automation. Now it's time to craft the actual response. In the message block for Messenger, click to add text. Type a clear, friendly welcome message that acknowledges the user and sets expectations. For example, you might say, "Thanks for reaching out. I'm here to help with your question. A team member will follow up soon. In the meantime, here's some quick info." Then add a concise line that matches the keyword, like basic pricing details or business hours. Keep it short, helpful, and on brand. You can personalize the tone without overloading the first reply, and you can always refine the text later as you see how people interact. That's it. You've created a keyword-based auto reply. Home, automation, new automation, start from scratch, add a trigger for user sends a message, detect specific words, add your keyword, save it, then add your messenger text. Use clear language, avoid sensitive information, and keep responses compliant with platform policies. This simple setup gives your audience a fast, consistent answer the moment they reach out.